Chief Minister N. Biren has asserted that government is not against any community and has called on all communities in Manipur to help each other during tough times. Chief Minister N. Biren said this while addressing the opening ceremony of Diamond Jubilee Cum 8th Biennial Sports Meet 2025 at Laiching Kangsang Village Amsa Sports Complex in Technopole district today. Speaking in the opening ceremony of the sports meet, which is being organized by All Marine Sports Association, Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren said the ongoing conflict resulted due to misunderstanding when government tried to take action against influx illegal immigrants. He said the government has not targeted any particular indigenous community. While seeking people's cooperation, Chief Minister said Manipur is limping towards normalcy with the help of people. Works and Youth Affairs and Sports Minister Govindas Kontokjam, Water Resource and Relief and Disaster Management Minister Ongbung Nyumai, PhD Minister Susindro, MLA Rameshwar along with other eminent persons graced the function.
Hingilagada bani koi kana dasu saw leite hujik kana ri bajishu bhat tana da bagini communication gap leiba mali akoi na government drive to bodi apan de la illegal immigrants ju boni hana de leiraba akoi khado isin naw sin wifi gi paiti gi joni gi mar gi leiraba kanam de bagasu sakana gasu hai leite popi se thingsi drug se thingsi hai bani adu gumo pandagi Sangai go mayam do sangat tanpa fencing khajin se tum koi lagi miron apoi ini sing se fazil le hono ba adu ada ki kelima sangat tabi ada bari bata mayam kasi mana ole ka so baduna pass system ama ba ko fazana e ai sangai ko ai thoe ko high informative ama ko pina bagi malagi kudong sa pasin lo ya che na suno go mena hobo poli kudong community ama dana ka ama da nungai ka to na to ka kamna na to go apon mate ama to ina koi nuti sana na le Manipur amona hanjala puna sapat horami lambi ka koi man sana na hona menasi